First, we select the copper nozzle based on the angle you want to weld. If we need to weld an inside corner, then we quickly choose the inside corner nozzle. You can see that it has a gap that can hold the inside corner. If we need to weld an outside corner, then we need to use the outside corner nozzle to hold and pull it. We choose based on its angle. Of course, we also have our universal nozzle that can hold both inside and outside corners. But we recommend using our inside corner nozzle. Choose our nozzle based on the thickness of the wire. The nozzle comes in different sizes. There are fixed sizes from 0.8 to 1.6. The larger the wire, the larger the nozzle we choose. So, how do we install it? Insert the nozzle into the gun barrel. Rotate the wire. After inserting the wire, we need to clamp the wire in the nozzle. After clamping, once it's clamped, secure it further. We can see that the small copper welding nozzle and our wire must be aligned in a straight line, and the wire should be clamped in the clamping groove of the welding nozzle. This is the correct installation. If it's not in a straight line, or if it's not clamped, at this time, we need to loosen our copper nozzle and rotate it. Adjust it to the center, and then secure it. Now it's inserted, installation is complete.